I'm going to now show you how to use these tiny massage balls for the smaller aspects of your hand to provide relief to anywhere that you might have tension or trigger points. I like to use a custom set like this because these smaller balls, what makes them different from the tennis and the therapy balls along with cross balls is that they're smaller. So one of their main designs is that the other ones can't do is that they help you get to that smaller area, the smaller muscles between the bones in your hand. So like I mentioned earlier, the brand that I use, that's my go-to brand, is the Melt Method brand product for the therapy balls that I use on both my hand and my foot self-care at home. I put links in the description box down below for you to buy a set if you really need a set. All you have to do is scroll down, you'll see where it says the Melt Method balls I use. It'll take you to Amazon.com and they have enough that are ready for you to make a purchase. So now, let's take our favorite Melt Method ball. I like the firmer one, the harder plastic one, and that's the one I'm going to use between my palms. This comes of varying densities, so you can adjust your body as it adapts. Now, I picked the firmer one because I'm well adapted, but you can have a softer one for those of you who are new who might have a lot of tension, right? Now, the two ways to do this are by making circles or making lines of pressure that are active, right? So the making circles done, it's really good for the palm side. And what you do is you take the ball and you're gonna make small circles. Work in the area. You can put emphasis on the areas where it feels tight and continue to make your circles there. Otherwise, just go around. Then the other technique is making lines. Now this one is better for the backside, the dorsal aspect of your hand. You do this by taking the ball, putting it in the palm that's going to be working, and then you're going to slowly create active pressure, going between the bones of the back of the hand and moving it up and down in a gentle but firm motion. You won't cover that much area, and that's fine because there's less muscle exposed in this area. I put my hand against my chest just to create a little additional pressure. I go and I create those lines up and down, going along my palm and the back of my hand rather, palm's the other side, and as I switch, if I don't pick up the ball, one of the things I do is I'll roll over the bone, but it's like a pass. There's no pressure like when I'm going between the bones. You'd never want to put the pressure on the bones because you can cause damage. Then, after you do that, you can switch. I'm going to do the same thing, but to the other side. So, my left hand's going to be the side that receives. My right hand's going to be the side that works. We make little circles. We do those circles like we're rolling a little ball of putty and making circles out of it, except the putty is the muscles in our palm that's receiving the work. And we create those circles. Then we do the lines. Like I said, we can rest it up against our body, go in the area that's between the bones, and then create pressure. And just go up and down with a relaxed palm, creating that pressure. Stay on the muscle, don't create pressure on the bone. Go up and down, switching into those different zones between the bones, and just work it. Release those muscles, get some blood flowing there, release the tension and breathe. Then once you're done, you have basically used a therapy ball to help release any tissue in the front and the back side of your palm. Thanks for watching this one.